If you think Dollar Tree only sells low quality, cheaply made items, I promise you that is not the case. Give me 15 minutes of your time, I will change your mind. Hey, it's Megan. Welcome back to another Dollar Tree video. This time I'm sharing all my secrets and tips to save you time and money while shopping at Dollar Tree, including a few hidden gems and new finds you may not even know existed. And with all that said, we're getting started right now. When you think of Dollar Tree organization, do you imagine brightly colored plastic bins? Yeah, me too. I mean, that's kind of what they're known for. It makes sense. Although I would argue some of the best organizational finds are outside of the organizing aisles. For example, these mesh laundry bags, perfect to keep your dirty socks or smaller garments separate from the rest of your dirty laundry. But the coolest thing is you can throw this directly into the washer and then in the dryer. These larger mesh bags are also great. This comes in a pack of 1. They are 36 by 24, great for decluttering or to store your kids' toys. I mean, the laundry and cleaning section annihilates the game when it comes to vertical organization with all their over-the-door hooks. Or my favorite, one of the newer vertical storage options are these mop and broom holders. Such a cool buy. These are renter friendly. You can hang it with adhesive on the back, or you can use the holes to put it directly into the wall like I did. The rubber grips are super strong. Your mops and brooms are not going anywhere. And anywhere else online, this would be 4 times the price. So check this out. It can be harder to find neutral colored organizing bins at Dollar Tree, but check out the kitchen section because they have these white and black colored dish pans. These are a common to find item. And the best part, these are bigger than Dollar Tree's regular organizing bins, and they work the exact same way. And here's another quick tip for you. In the pet section, you can actually snatch up one of their kitty litter pans. These are larger than the dish pans. They also come in neutral colors, and nobody's gonna know that you're using a kitty litter box to organize your pantry or whatever you're organizing. Nobody will know, I promise you. Dollar Tree raising their prices is old news. I feel like everybody and their mother, brothers, and cousins have covered this topic, but that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to bring to your attention is that there are still a few items, good items, that are at that $1 price point, like cards and seeds, poster boards, select food items. Now, the majority of food is still $1.25, but they do have a $1 food selection. And depending on where you live and your local grocery store prices, this may be a good deal for a few non-perishables. And while we are on the topic of pricing, just remember that Dollar Tree does accept manufacturer coupons. They'll even take coupons over the sale price and adjust it at checkout. And if you want to look up internet coupons, go ahead and do that, my friend, because they take those as well. And if you're not a couponer, no big deal. Honestly, I'm not really a couponer myself, but I do love me a good clearance item. And Dollar Tree does have a good clearance section sometimes. Just like everything else at Dollar Tree, it will vary store to store what they carry, and there will be better times to shop. But don't skip the clearance section. You can find some good hidden gems. Speaking of hidden gems, that's going to take us straight into the next topic. There are so many new finds and overlooked items at Dollar Tree. This tablet stand for $1.25, this is a steal. I love that it's non-porous, so I can use it in the kitchen, and if I get pasta sauce on it or cake mix, it can just be wiped right down. But the biggest selling point is even a $25 tablet stand works the same way. This next item is so random, but stay with me, y'all. This is a nightlight, not because I'm afraid of the dark. I love this because it's automatic. You can twist the knob where you want it to go, making this perfect for a bathroom or a kitchen. Somewhere you're going to get up in the middle of the night, wander into, and you won't need to blind yourself with the overhead lights. How many times have you seen this apple core at Dollar Tree and walked right past it, assuming it's not going to work? I probably passed on this at least 500 times before my kids finally talked me into purchasing it. This works really well. We've had ours for over a year. This also works on smaller onions and it's dishwasher safe. Paired perfectly with this 4-pack of glass ramekins that are also dishwasher safe. This mixing bowl I have mentioned before, but it's totally worth mentioning again. First of all, it has a no-slip bottom. The handle makes mixing super easy. The pour side No mess pouring. You don't even know how much easier it is to pour with a pour spout until you've tried it. But best of all, compare this to anything else the same size. It's almost 4 times the price or more. The old DT sells all kinds of great cleaning supplies. One of my favorite cleaning supplies or cleaning items is not found in the cleaning aisle. This is found in the tool and car section. It's this car wash mitt that I do not use for washing my car. I love to use this for dusting. I can slip my hand right in. It feels like you can kind of capture the dust with your hand. But best of all, just throw it in the washer and dryer when you're done and you can reuse it over and over and over again. I also love these quick erasers, but what I really want to bring up are Dollar Tree's bonus buys. These quick erasers come in Dollar Tree's bonus pack, along with so many other items at Dollar Tree, so keep your eyes open for these. This is in the tool section, the toy section, organization, back to school. A lot of times, the bonus buys are placed right next to the regular packaged item. Although that's not always the case. So, like, for example, sometimes same day, same store, same product, you'll find a non-bonus item in a different section of the store. So just another reason you should be walking up and down each and every aisle of Dollar Tree. Or in my opinion. I mean, that's how I find the best deals. You got to check out every single aisle, including their checkout racks. This is not just full of candy or last minute buys. Sometimes you'll find items they don't sell anywhere else in the store. These all-purpose metal chip clips, which compared to anything else at any other store is the best price, and I only see these at checkout. Or these lighters, I love these. $1.25, yes please, that is a great deal. These lighters work great for outdoor barbecues, but I mostly use mine to light taller candles that are halfway burnt down. It just makes it easier. And don't forget to look behind checkout. That's where you're going to find the helium balloons. And did you know Dollar Tree sells ice? I didn't until not too long ago. Most stores keep theirs behind checkout. Some have it in the freezer section. Either way, pound for penny or penny for pound, it's the best deal. $1.25 for a 7-pound bag of ice is the best deal I could find in stores or online. I understand that you get what you pay for. Totally agree with that, and I get the concept. What I don't understand is when Pottery Barn, Amazon, or even Walmart will sell the exact same product as Dollar Tree for a heck of a lot more money. Like these candle holders, they're glass candle holders. There's nothing about this that says Dollar Tree, not in the quality and not in the look. These candlesticks are also a great buy. They're glass. My favorite thing is they're stackable, no glue needed. And because they're glass, they can be easily spray painted. These look like something you buy at a high-end store without the high-end price. I won't pretend that Dollar Tree's picture frames are the same quality as Pottery Barn, but I will say they are glass, and if you add one of Dollar Tree's photo mats with them, from a distance, no one can tell the difference. So if you're decorating a child's room or you're on a budget, I do think this is a better deal than buying more expensive frames at Walmart. In my opinion, one of the best seasonal buys at Dollar Tree are their spring and summer items. Now, Christmas may be a close second, but y'all, check it out. Their spring and summer collection, from planters to stackable planters, self-watering planters, these are all steals that anywhere else cost at least 2 or 4 times the price. And a newer favorite find of mine, are these roller plant trolleys. I found these last year. These work great outdoors or indoors, especially when it comes to moving heavier indoor plants to clean. But you could also use this in the laundry room, put a hamper on top of the trolley, and move that back and forth. Super stoked to see these hanging planters again. For $1.25, this is a steal. These work indoors or outdoors, and they look and have the quality feel of something way more than $1.25. When it comes to gardening gloves, gardening shovels, or gardening rakes, why pay more when you can pay less? Dollar Tree carries all of these, and they work just as well as something at a higher price point. Now, I already mentioned how Dollar Tree seeds did not change in price. You can still get 4 for $1. But price doesn't matter if they don't work. I have personally used Dollar Tree seeds for the past 4 or 5 years. I'm not a professional gardener or even a good gardener. I just kind of drag a line in the ground, sprinkle some seeds, spread them around, and water them when I remember. And then a few months later, I have plenty of tomatoes and peppers. 1 pack of seeds is more than enough for my family of 4. We actually end up giving away a bunch of tomatoes, and it just opens the door for us to try out so many more recipes, and it saves so much money. So I highly recommend you at least give the seeds a try. You really have nothing to lose. Like I said, I'm not a good gardener. I'm a throw and sow, hope it grows type of gal. And if it doesn't work, you're only out 25 cents. I promise I'm not going to try to pressure you into buying seeds anymore in this video. But the last thing I do want to mention in the gardening section are their plant clips. The best deal in stores or online. Pack of 60 at Amazon, you would only pay $3.75 at Dollar Tree. When it comes to buying gifts, DT may not be the top of your list or your first stop, but maybe they should be. They have a bunch of items year-round, great for gifts or to keep for yourself. Like their socks, they have these for men, women, and children. If you want to take away that Dollar Tree tag or up your gift presentation, just roll them up into a snack sack and then add a bow. One of my favorite items to purchase as a gift or for myself are these house slippers. I prefer these over any other brand. Multiple reasons. One, they are thin enough but thick enough to keep my feet warm. Two, they have the no slip grip. And they don't mess up the way I walk. You know, some slippers are so thick you have to alter the way you walk in them. That's not the case with these. And like I said, these make a great gift. Super underrated are these body massagers. Y'all, Dollar Tree's had these for a very long time. They come in multiple different colors, and I've had mine for about 9 years now, the same one. This works just as well as any other massager with the same design. This is a very simple design, so there's not much wiggle room to mess it up. And actually, the plastic ones do last longer because the wooden ones will kind of come loose. The wood glue will disintegrate over time. A simple no-fail gift idea that works for everyone is to snatch up one of Dollar Tree's glass canisters and fill those up with someone's favorite snack or candy, or use one of their glass drinking mugs instead and fill that up with candy or snacks. Who doesn't love a glass drinking mug and who doesn't love candy? This works for everyone. I've read so many blog posts and watched a bunch of videos that'll say right off, no way all Dollar Tree toys are awful, throw them in the trash. I highly disagree. For example, their Make It blocks. These are compatible with brand name Legos. Not only are they compatible with brand name Legos, you for real legit cannot tell the difference. But best of all, the price, y'all. So you'd pay $70 for 1,500 pieces of Legos and it would only be $39 for Dollar Tree's Make It blocks. Although you can find name brand toys at Dollar Tree, Matchbox, Hot Wheels. Their free pack of cars is very comparable to Hot Wheels or Matchbox car toys. They may not be collectible like Matchbox or Hot Wheels, but they definitely work the same. And unless you are buying in an extremely large bulk, Dollar Tree's Hot Wheel tracks are the best deal. While we're on the topic of gift giving, let me go ahead and say when it comes to party throwing, Dollar Tree also annihilates the game. Whether you are having an engagement party, bachelorette party, bridal shower, wedding, baby shower, graduation party, or a birthday, Dollar Tree really does own everyone else in the business. I love that you can get custom or you can customize your party theme with all of their colors that they offer and color palettes. For example, these are Dollar Tree balloons. I love these pastel colors. And when it comes to themed birthday parties or themed parties, anything like this at Party City or even Walmart is at least 4 times the price. Look at this Lego look. So it's their Make It block, but it is a Lego style of party themes. Y'all, $1.25 for each one of these is a steal of a bargain. And then do not forget about their catering section. In the catering section, you can find solid color of party supplies from forks, knives, table covers. These table covers also work really well as a backdrop for maybe a photo shoot or a party. Years ago, we had a karaoke party for my daughter. We used Dollar Tree's table covers. I think I spent $20 on the entire party. We also snatched up a few of their boas and took pictures of the girls. I'm not going to lie, I was super proud of myself that year, and my bank account was super proud of me. I want to share some insider breaking Dollar Tree news with you. I have spoke to 4 of my local Dollar Tree managers, and in Texas, all of the Dollar Trees are going to be Dollar Tree Plus stores by summer. Those same managers told me, or they are under the impression that everywhere in the United States will be Dollar Tree Plus stores. And if you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus store, that may freak you out, but let me put your mind at ease. Dollar Tree Plus is just like Dollar Tree. It'll have an aisle or two of $3 to $5 items. For the most part, it's like Dollar General and Five Below mixed together. They do have great organization items like these large bins. Exact same ones at Target are like $8. And where they'll really stand out from Five Below and Dollar General is their seasonal or home decor section. It looks like Hobby Lobby, but the most you're going to pay is $5. So that may be something to get excited about. But hey, let me know if you can. Speak to your manager, see what they tell you. Do you have a Dollar Tree Plus? Let me know down below. And that is it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching. They also have these reversible signs for only $5. You got Easter on one side. Now take it away, Jennifer. Here we go. And that is a chalkboard. Am I showing how well it's stained? Yeah?